Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I mean, it's still very clear to me that this is a 1, 2, 3. We don't have a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely don't have any reason yet to say that this wave 3 is over. Wave 3s can extend way beyond what you may think they could. I mean, this thing could easily just keep on going up if it really wants to. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, well, let's get rid of that. So on the weekly time frame, there's no break of structure, there's no Fibonacci bounce, there's no reason to say the wave 3 is over. This is going down a little bit, but that little push down definitely does not tell me that this trend is over. And even when we do get the end of a trend, which I think will more likely look like this, that means that it's just the end of a wave 3 and the beginning of a wave 4, which a wave 4 is a crescent to the wave 3, and then eventually back up for the wave 5. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely looks very corrective. My last structure level is right here, so as long as it does not break that structure, me as a swing trader, I'm definitely still looking for longs and an uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here, the last impulsive move. Now this to me definitely looks like a trend, looks like a wave A. I think this looks like 3 waves up for a wave B. Now it's starting to look like a more complete trend for a wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. If you get a Fibonacci bounce, if you get a break of structure, it's likely the end of a crescent, and it is likely the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, we still don't technically have a break of structure, so if you are trading below the 1 hour, you probably should still be looking for shorts. It seems to me at this point like it would probably more likely go down to the 61. It might even pop up a little bit, grab these highs, and then go down to the 61, finishing off what I think would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C most likely. So if it makes this 3, 4, 5 shape, it goes down to a Fibonacci level, then reverses back up, then breaks structure. That's what's going to tell me the wave C is over, and that should be a really nice entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.